Have you ever been in a conversation with somebody and it got really awkward and you really just want to get out of it? Well, I know I have, and now I have the solution. Before getting into the conversation, prepare your phone, go to the alarm settings, and choose whichever time you wish. And try to choose a ringtone that really sounds like you're getting a call. As simple as that, no more awkward conversations. We all know in Canada it gets really cold and glasses usually gets foggy. Well, no worries, I have the solution for you. Grab a vest, a cloth to clean your glasses, a pair of scissors, and a double-sided tape. Grab the cleaning cloth and cut it rectangular. Like so. It doesn't have to be perfect. On the border of your vest, stick the double-sided tapes. Like this. Once the paper is removed from the sticker, you can go ahead and stick your cleaning cloth. Now, wherever you are, you'll have clean glasses. Wow, just like this, clean glasses. Have you ever lost a button on your shirt? It happens to me all the time. But now I have an easy solution to avoid any embarrassing moments. All you need is the button and a paper clip. Connect these two together to make a brand new button. It's a struggle, but it's totally worth it. There you go. Now you're ready to make it work. Insert the button to make sure the two sides of your shirt get connected. Take the two sides and split them up, like this. There you go, no need for any embarrassing moments. I'll show you, just in case you didn't believe me. It actually works. Et voila! You're missing a battery in your TV remote again? Well, with the paper clip, I have the solution. Make sure to use an unpainted paper clip. Play with it until it's the perfect size to fit into the remote. Hook it on the spring, and with the pressure, make sure it holds on the other side, like this. What a perfect temporary fix for your remote! Now you won't have to miss another show. I got you. Oh no, you dropped your earring because you lost your pin? And the thing is so small that you can't find it anymore. Well, I have the solution. With only a crayon. With scissors, cut the eraser on your crayon, just like this. Simple. And stick it on the back of your earring. It's perfect! You see? You have a funny picture to send, but you end up sending it to the wrong person? So embarrassing. Well, now I know what to do. You have to be quick on this one. Once you send the picture and realize it's the wrong person, go on airplane mode. And delete the picture like nothing happened. Like magic. Now I can text stress-free. Does your zip keep dropping? It's so frustrating. Well, I got you. With a keyring, connect it to your zipper, like so. And now make it hold on your button. It's perfect, you can't even see it. Are you as messy as I am and got another stain on your shirt? Well, with the help of an elastic and a scarf, I have 3 solutions for you. Number 1. Tie it in the middle so that it perfectly hides the stain. It's so easy. Number 2. Move the bow tie on the side and stick out your arm like this. A little shoulder swag. Number 3. Stick out the other arm like this and make sure the bow tie is on top of your shoulder. Let me know which one of the 3 you prefer in the comments down below. A stain? Where? Woke up late and forgot you had a date? Oh no! Sometimes you just don't have the time to do your hair. With a scarf, I have the simple solution. Make sure it covers all of your hair. And hold it very tight in the back. Now you're ready for your dates. Make sure to twist it until the whole scarf is in the bun, and then wrap it with an elastic. That's how I get away with my messy hair. And it works perfectly. Who would have thought I forgot my alarm?